How to get things done, an idea that sold for $25,000 in the 1930s. People often set goals but then are unable to focus on getting them done. In life, there are many things that can create obstacles, but there are also ways to overcome them. Let me tell you a simple idea that helped an employee and his company become very rich. Many years ago, when Bethlehem Steel was a small up-and-coming factory, a young management consultant named Ivy Lee visited Charles Schwab, a manager there. Schwab later became the first man in history to earn a salary of $1 million a year. Obviously, the founder liked Schwab's ability to get things done. Lee said that he could help Schwab find better ways to do the things that were necessary to make the company a success. Schwab told him that they already knew how to make steel and knew what needed to be done, but they were not getting those things done. "Show me how to do the things we ought to be doing," Schwab challenged, "and we'll pay you whatever you want." Lee said that he could do that in 20 minutes. He even offered to let Schwab use the system and then pay Lee whatever he thought it was worth, if anything. Schwab was impressed with Lee's confidence and told him to proceed. Lee handed Schwab a piece of paper and said, "Write down the things you have to do tomorrow. Now, number these items in order of importance. First thing tomorrow morning, start working on number 1 and stay with it until it is completed. Next, take number 2, and don't go any further until that is completed. Then proceed to number 3 and so on. If you can complete everything on the schedule, don't worry. At least you will have taken care of the most important things before getting distracted by the items of lesser consequence." Lee said that if Schwab completed every item on the list before the day was done, he should make a new list and start on that. Or if any items were left at the end of the day, they could be considered for the next day's list. The secret is to do this daily. Evaluate the relative priority of items. Record your plan of action and stick to it. Test it for as long as you like, and then send me a check for whatever you think it is worth. In a few weeks, Schwab sent Lee a check for $25,000. This was big money in the 1930s. It was the single most valuable idea the manager had ever received. This video is brought to you by PCH Career Institute. Visit pcage.edu.